How to fix Snapchat map not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat map not working. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on straight to the Snapchat application, please visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if your Snapchat is up to date. If you see an update button, just tap on that so you will have the latest features within the app. So after that, just head on and open Snapchat right here. And from the camera page, just swipe to the right so you will be on the chats page. And again, once again, swipe to the right so you will finally head on to the Snap map. If your location is currently turned off, Snapchat will prompt you to use your location. So make sure that you click on allow so that your Snapchat map will work properly. So click on allow and it will take you to your settings page. After that, under the section of allow Snapchat to access, so just click on location and you can click on while using the app or also click on always. So I'm just gonna select while using the app and also enable precise location right here. So this will allow the app to use your specific location. Also, choosing always allow will let Snapchat update your location in the background while you're sharing live location. So if you share your live location a lot, you can choose always right here, but I'm just gonna keep it at while using the app. Just head on back to your Snapchat and your Snap map should work well right here, and you can see the friends that are sharing their location with you and also see their avatar on the Snapchat map. If that still does not work, just go to your homepage and open up your Safari or any default browser you have and type in speed test. And then click on run speed test right here. So this will test your internet speed test and make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because the cause of your Snapchat map not working may be due to your slow internet. So that might be one factor. And if that still does not work, the last resort you have to do is to go to the settings and go to general right here. Click on iPhone storage. Wait for it to load and click on Snapchat right here. And what you're going to do is click on Upload App. Just click on Upload App and it will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So it will just literally delete your cache or any internal files that might be bugging your phone and causing the Snapchat map to not work. So just upload it and reinstall a Snapchat map, and hopefully that will fix your Snapchat map not working. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.